We Icelanders live in close proximity to magnificent nature and natural forces that can be harsh. Damages caused by natural disasters are generally not covered by insurance companies. Natural Catastrophe Insurance of Iceland, or NTI, was established in 1975 and is owned by the Icelandic government. NTI is a non-profit insurance company with the sole purpose of compensating for loss caused by natural catastrophes. Those are volcanic eruptions, avalanches, earthquakes, landslides, storm surge, and floods from rivers and brooks. NTI does not compensate for other losses, for instance, due to storm, melting snow, and heavy rains. You can buy insurance from the insurance companies for such losses. All buildings in Iceland are mandatorily insured within NTI. When your insurance company collects the premium for fire insurance, it also collects the premium for NTI. The purpose of the insurance is to provide cover in case of significant events. Therefore, the deductible is quite high. In order for your movables to be insured with NTI, you need to buy a household contents insurance from your insurance company. Such insurance is optional. You can find more information at nti.is.